TVA and ITI have collaborated to revolutionize the training and development process for polar crane operators through the use and implementation of the ITI VR Polar Crane Simulator. A polar crane is a unique piece of load-handling equipment that operates on a circular runway, typically near the spring line of a containment or reactor facility. The primary function of these distinct cranes is performing reactor maintenance and disassembly during refueling outages. Due to the hazardous environment and the highly specialized role polar cranes have in the ongoing management and maintenance of reactor facilities, operator seat time dedicated to training and skill-building activities is limited. Along with additional logistical factors, this makes retaining and growing a highly skilled pool of operators a true challenge. For more than 2 decades, TVA and ITI have collaborated on numerous rigging and load handling training initiatives. But tackling the polar crane operator training matter required the development and implementation of an entirely new solution. To address the increasing demand for a safe, realistic, and scalable method for training a new generation of polar crane operators, the ITI Design and Development Studio worked with subject matter experts and operators from TVA and other industry stakeholders to ensure the polar crane simulator matched the level of realism provided by the existing, award-winning ITI VR crane simulators. TVA and ITI Innovative Training Solutions.